friends, today we're going to learn another new red word, and our red word is underlined in red in the sentence. Our sentence says, we have pop or juice. Our new red word is this very small red word, or. I'll show you what it looks like. The word or, O-R, or. You'll notice it only has 2 letters, so it's a short word. I'm going to show you one time how I write the word. I'm going to use my red marker and black marker today because it's better for you to see it on camera, but you might want to use a pencil and a red crayon or anything else you have to write with at home. I'm going to use the red word paper that's in your virtual learning packet that you picked up from school, or you might be using your red word book or just any paper or a marker and dry erase board works great too. To write the word or, I make an O, then an R. Notice the O comes first. If you have your canvas, slide your canvas underneath your paper, and let's write the word together. O, R, or. Let's arm tap it. You can either look at the word that you just wrote, or you can look at my card, but make sure you are looking at the letters as you're saying them. Let's arm tap it 3 times. O, R, or. Again, O, R, or. Last time, O, R, or. Nice work. If you have your canvas, go ahead and scooch it out from your paper, and we'll use our finger to trace the word 3 times. Again, make sure you're saying the letters as you're tracing them. 1, 2, 3. O, R, or. O, R, or. Last time. O, R, or. If you have your canvas, put your canvas on top, and this time we'll feel the canvas tickles as we trace the letters. If you don't have your canvas, that's okay. You can just trace right on top of your paper again. 1, 2, 3. O, R, or. O, R, or. Last time. O, R, or. Let's write that word 3 times. Okay, let's hear it. O, R, or. O, R, or. One more. O, R, or. And last, we're going to write that word in a sentence. Or is a word that usually means, like you might have a choice. So someone might say, you can have a hamburger or a hot dog. So it means you can't have both, you have to choose one. So you might say, I can have cake or cookies for dessert. You can't have both for dessert, you have to choose one, or. And our sentence today is going to say yes or no. Let's count how many words in that sentence. Yes or no. 3 words. Let's draw our lines so we know where we want to write those words in our sentence. I'm going to switch to my black marker. You might want to switch to your black crayon or a pencil. Our first word is yes, and that's a green word, so it only gets 1 line. I'm ready to write a new word, so I need to use a finger space. Good. yes, or. That's our new red word, so we can give it 2 lines. Yes or no. And no is kind of like a green word, so we'll give it 1 line. And if you want to draw your mountain to help you remember that your first letter has to be a capital letter when you're writing a new sentence. So our first word is the word yes. And this is a really tricky one, but you might see this one a lot when you're on your computers and when the game is asking you, like, do you want to keep playing? You might see the word yes. And that word is spelled Y-E-S. Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Next is our new red word, O-R, or. Yes or no. No might also be a word that you see when you're playing games. To spell no, we need the letters N, O. N-O, no. And this is an asking question, so we'll need to put a question mark at the end. Because someone could answer this question and they could say yes, or they could answer the question and say no. Show yourself how to draw a red line under your new red word, or. Did you find it? Awesome. Our last step is just to read our sentence. So make sure that you tap each line as you're reading the word. 1, 2, 3. Yes or no. Great work today, friends. We learned the new red word, or.